Hi there, Laura Kennedy here with Air One Hospitality. Just in case you need a little help figuring out how to work the Nest Thermostat at the vacation rental, let me give you a couple tips and tricks here. If the display is not lit up like this, when you come to the thermostat, simply tap on the side of it and it will light up the display. To change the mode between AC and heat, you're going to tap the side. This gives you information on the current temperature outside, inside, and the humidity levels as well. You want to drag your finger on the side down to mode, tap on that to select it, and here it's in the cool mode. If you wanted to change it to heat, you're going to drag up to the heat setting. It is currently hot outside, so we're going to stick with the AC setting, tap to select it, and then it's going to go back to the current temperature inside. To adjust that temperature, simply hold your finger on the side, drag it up, drag it down to adjust it where is comfortable for you. I hope that helps you get the Nest Thermostat all figured out.